Welcome back to the shop. We got the Camaro cut and buffed. You can see it's Mulsanne blue. We'll get it out in the light. Looks a little different shade when you get in the light, but wanted to talk you guys through a little bit of the work we did, my son and I, over the last probably couple years. So
somebody would have told me, babe.
Obviously flushed out the firewall. That was pretty cool. And we ended up getting rid of the, normally got markers right here for your blinkers. Got rid of those. We flush mounted the windshield, so added basically a strip of sheet metal here, get an 1/8 of an inch gap all the way around. What else did we do? We covered up, we got markers here, usually on a 73 as well. Covered those out. So cut these here because this is where the exhaust is gonna come out of. To cut out the exhaust holes, you can see it's kind of egg-shaped or teardrops. Gonna come out of, it'll probably end up a little above flush, but we'll put a little bezel ring around there. But the rear exhaust is gonna be, it's gonna be trippy. Also flush mounted that rear windshield, so you kind of see that. Again, 1/8 of an inch gap all the way around. We're gonna add a matte black stripe on the back and on the hood. We ended up, well, replacing that quarter panel at about right there. Ended up replacing the lower fender patches on both sides. Lots of patchwork. The door, bottom edge of the door was replaced. Replaced with patchwork. Rear valance was replaced. Lower quarter on this side. I think the other side had a big dent on the door. Can't remember, but obviously this isn't gapped yet. We just got everything mocked up. But yeah, it's come a long way. But she's getting there. All right, Garage Build Legends, let's get it.
I wish somebody would have told me, babe, someday these will be the good old days. All the love you won't forget, and all these reckless nights you won't regret.